Oh, don't worry, I'll get him. Okay. That's what we got in our first egg.
Hey, wait.
Let's go on to our second egg.
Wait, wait for me.
We've got more surprises in our videos.
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to be showing them now. This is our first surprises. First surprise for you lot. In our other videos, we're going to have loads of surprises. So, yeah. We're going to make loads of videos this week. Inshallah. And I hope you lot have been keeping Rosa. And, yeah. It is good if you did. Because you won't get good now.
It's good. If you
I
keep
don't know.
If you keep frozen, it's good.
Did you get the same thing? Okay, no, you didn't.
Wait for me.
Oh, I got another notepad. Why do I get another notepad? That's not the same. It's different.
I'm opening this girl, this
Okay,
boy
let's see
one.
what I got though.
Guys, I got Paw Patrol.
Okay, just let's slide it out. Let's see if there's a
Look.
plain white again.
Oh,
Let's see the stickers that I got this time. So
You have to open it for him.
these
He
are the
added
stickers
a
that I
note.
got this time. They're actually kind of cute. So let's put the stickers inside of here. Okay, now let's have the sweets. Let's try if they're different or if they're still the same. These are so hard. It said Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Oh my god, you say so wrong. Why did I just throw my sweets in the bin? I didn't throw my sweets in the bin while I was talking. Okay, let's try one now. If they're still the same.
I got this.
I got this. What did you get?
This.
Oh, he got.
Paw Patrol.
What?
I got some stickers.
Let me see what he got for a second. I don't even know what this is meant to be. He got this thing. I think it's for this. Or like, I don't know what. Oh, that's what he got, you guys.
I got
He's got loads of mess here.
I got loads of mess here, guys. Comment down below if you like it or not.
Comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below.
I can't see
Okay,
you.
that's what in the second surprise, a notebook we got.
This is so dead. 2 minutes. Oh, this didn't
I hope I get something good in this one. If I don't, I think this is all they give us. This notebook.
Wait, where's my thingy? Oh, there it is.
Finally, they didn't drop out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and. Okay. I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna start doing this slime today.
Why? Well, it's actually good because I didn't get the same thing. Why did I get a badge? I was hoping something good. I got a badge. A little kid badge. Can you come off now? I don't want you. Shoot away, you trash. Okay, that's what I got. And I absolutely hate it.
I got my thingy, my other tanga.
Let me see what else do they have. So, okay, you guys, I've got this magnet thing. I've got that, but it's on the fridge. And I've got this notebook. And I've got another notebook, and I've got this like tiny badge thing, but it's not the same girl. It's a different girl, lady. Where's my badge gone? Oh,
My badge.
What is it?
My other
And these are the stickers I got
egg. I got badge again.
He got the same thing as me. He got a badge like me.
Like this.
No, you meant to put on your clothes, not me. You know what to put it on your clothes. It's like a birthday.
Yeah.
So I'll put it on for you.
Yeah.
So you guys, as you can see, my brother's got a Paw Patrol badge and he got a Paw Patrol scooter right over there. So I'm gonna be putting this on him since he doesn't know how to put it on. Bulala.
I'm just putting. I just. I opened it.
Let's try if the sweets are different now, cause that one was different and that one was more tasty.
Mmm.
If you guys have opened up these before, make sure you comment down below what you did have and comment down below if you didn't. Let's open this. Okay.
Why?
I need to eat more roti. Alright, here we go.
Mine is good. I like mine a little bit.
Fall in. Oh, good.
Guys,
Okay.
I'm done. I'm just done,
Okay,
guys.
I'm gonna try it. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly.
Mine's good.
Disgusting.
Check
Them
mine
two are
out.
disgusting.
Check mine out. Check
No,
mine.
I'm not trying yours. Them two are disgusting, and these are the best.
Check mine out. Mine out. It's good.
Can you give me your rubbish, please?
Oh,
No rubbish on the table.
no. Rubbish on the table, you mean?
It's still tasting in my mouth.
Feltus? Is it Feltus?
Okay, you guys, what I normally do is put the stickers. I get the stickers and put it in the other on the top of the lid like this, and I get the stuff that I have in the bag.
Guys,
Sorry.
guys.
I put the stuff in here and the bag and the lid,
Give me the lid.
please. And then wait. We fold these stickers, put them in there, put them inside the sweet. Let's do that and so create the other one. And the last one, you can just use it or put it with the other one.
Guys, guess
And
what?
just pop the lid on. Pop it. Just pop the lid on.
Pop the lid on.
This week we're gonna be
Look,
popping
look,
these
I'm
videos.
gonna do. Look, I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna put the sweet in here.
So that's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed looking at the.
Wow, 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 wow.
I hope you enjoyed looking at the videos. Looking at these videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notification on. And yeah. let's
Wow,
get
wow, wow, wow. Woohoo!
Bye, you guys.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.